रेंदेर आणि म्हणून आमगे ते रेंदेर म्हणजे पुर्तुगेज असताना रेंदेर म्हणून चलताले पाल्मेर लावरादूर ते पाल्मेर
सकाळी उठवले काय ना आमगे ती बाटी बी बरपा असं तो सकाळ उठवले तर गोड बिड आम काढलं बाहेर उडलं आणि सूर गायली आणि बाटी भरली मडप भरतरी मागीर आनी तेंपरा 2-12 एका जात ती आनी पत डिस्टील करप ते आनी सूर घाल आनी तो सोर काडप
सूर कोताय तेजे विनागर कोताय विनागर बेस्ट विनागर म्हणजे सुऱ्याची ते वास येता येता ते वता आनी पयले ब्रेड मेळटाले पाव म्हणटाले ते आमी ते पाव पण सूर पण घाताले न्हू तो हिंग पाव तूं खाता म्हळ्यार तिंगा वास येतालो इतलो बरें सारकें सुऱ्याचे आनी ते बरें फुलोन येताले बरें जाताले सॉफ्ट जाताले आनी बरें जाताले ते सूर गेले आनी सूर पण म्हणटा ती कित्याकूय कोंता येता विनागरी कोताय पाव घाताय ती जाली सांदणू कोताय आमी सांदणां खावपाक तें कोताय मागीर सोरो काडटाय सोरो बेस्ट फिणी म्हणून हेजी पल्म फिणी माडांची
ना एक माडा सोरपळ काडटा तो तुगेलो वोटर बॉटलीचो कळसो आमगे भाशेन आतां आमी आतां गादयेर बीन दिलो बाराचेर दिलो तो वोटर बॉटली दिवप.
Das árvores que não se extrai o sura, colhe-se o fruto. O coco, mais uma vez, tem várias utilidades. Se não está maduro, pode ser cortado ao meio, oferecendo uma água adocicada, como o fruto propriamente dito, extremamente macio. Da casca fazem-se vassouras e cordas que se usam no dia a dia. Se o coco está maduro, então rala-se o seu interior. O coco ralado obtido é usado na maioria dos pratos goeses, como nos explica Vijayadatta Lotlikar.
Coconut is one of the important fruit of Goan people because it is used in every dishes or every items which is done at home. It is used from the breakfast till our dinner. We use the coconut in the different forms. Now, for making a chutney is one of the important part. It is an important ingredient for the chutney. Coconut, grated coconut. It may be a dried coconut. It may be a fresh coconut also, kernel of the coconut. Then we make a curry. Curry is a very delicious curry can be made from coconut. The desiccated coconut, from the fresh coconut, I mean. Then other things are that from the copra we extract oil. Oil is a very popular oil and very good oil, which is even our ancestors used to use that oil for cooking and all. With very good, so many good properties. Then it is soap is made from this thing. Then for the hair, for the body massage. So many ways we are using. Besides that, so many other things also we use. For example, we make a sweets, special Goan sweets, the what we call dodol, then other things. Many sweets are made from the coconut. This thing. Then they make what we call it kapa or dos or something like that. With means sweet. Those are sweet dishes and all, or dry sweet dishes something. So that is made, and sometimes it is used specially for shakotis and all. Without the coconut, we cannot make shakotis. So we use maximum use of coconut in our daily life. So coconut is one of the important fruit which we used.
Estamos no Nostalgia, restaurante muito afamado aqui em Raia, e vamos preparar uma sobremesa feita essencialmente com coco e jagra. Connosco temos o raju, porque eu não sou lá grande coisa a cozinhar. Vamos começar. Can we start?
I'll take maida little, and eggs, and milk, and little sugar and salt. I'll mix it in one container. See, like that. Okay.
Para fazer o crepe precisamos de 50 ml de leite, 15 gramas de farinha, um ovo, uma colher de chá de açúcar e sal quanto basta. Depois, para o recheio, temos aqui a mistura já de jagra com coco. Ele vai agora acender o lume. É uma espécie de um crepe. Frita só de um lado. Quando começam a aparecer bolhinhas em cima da ar, é porque já está quase pronto. Cá está o nosso crepe. Agora no meio vai pôr.
And jaggery,
Uhum.
like that. I'll put in the
Portanto, isto é uma mistura de coco com jagra que fica exatamente no meio do crepe. Enrola-se. E depois põe-se
put onion in the top.
um bocadinho de mel para dar aquele toque especial. E aqui está o nosso alé belé. Vamos lá ver como é que ficou este alé belé. O mel calha mesmo bem. Não sei se repararam, esta colher que ele utilizou para pôr o recheio, não é? É feito da casca do coco. Portanto, o coco não serve só para fazer estas sobremesas deliciosas, mas também ajuda na cozinha.
Vijay Datta Loplikar, para além de usar o coco no dia-a-dia, tem vindo a dar vida a uma arte já antiga, pouco conhecida.
The common people was using, maximum they were making use of a coconut shell for the spoons or ladles which was used. Even nowadays they are using, but they was using during Portuguese time. Then the cups was I know the cups was surely was they were using bowls what they were using. Besides other house articles which was used in the house. Then buttons was made. Where means only the royal families they used to make a buttons from the coconut shell, different size. I have buttons also. I made even some smaller, bigger size buttons for the coat and all. They used to make. I was from the village Pilen, where we were totally, our neighbors were mostly of Catholic communities and all, and we were only 2-3 Hindu houses was there, and maximum houses was of Catholic, and we used to stay. We were staying in all with harmony with one another, and there was many kopel we call it, chapels, and there they used to have what you call that tears, the prayers and all. That feast and all. That time it was the couple was just opposite to my house, and I used to see them. They were using those cups for serving the liquor after the prayer and all. They used to serve the liquor. Then in the bowl made from the coconut shell, they used to serve those what you call the seashell. This thing, tisrio we call it. Tisrio made from the coconut with the coconut and all. It was made with seashell. It is. They used to serve. And when I was a child that time also, I was enjoying that also. And even in the houses and all, we used to, even my mother and all, she used to use coconut to remove after grinding the coconut, we used to grind in that big, what do you call that, round stone we used to grind. Now you don't find, now we have a mixer. To remove that from that hollow cavity was there, to remove that time there was no article like steel or another, and steel and all you cannot use it. So we used to use that coconut, half of the coconut, and after using, that it used to become so smooth from both the sides. Naturally, automatically it should become after that friction and this thing rubbing, and so beautiful it should become. That struck to me. Why naturally it becomes? Why we can't make something like that?
These figures are lined up side by side, perfect and smooth. And his son says that you can't be here, you can't be here.
Very simple training program. It is of sometimes it is of 10 to 20 days program. We are foundational course. Those are foundational training where we teach all the most of the articles. It means simple articles which can be made from the coconut shell, and the other side by side the other items also which can be, while getting the shells we get other items also like a shell powder. Then we get a kernel of it, how to use it. That also we teach them, and those articles are made from the shell, and those articles are purchased by handicraft department, and they are marketing those products. So they get a lot of income of that. This is to generate employment to the rural people, especially the ladies and all. Side by side, they can manage the house and do this work.
हो आमी उद्योग जर केलो न्हू जाल्यार हेका फ्युचर आसा कारण कितें तर एक म्हटल्यार हेका पयशाची गरज लागना फुकटान म्हणल्यार घरान कट्टे आसता न्हू तेतूनच आमी हो बिझनेस सुरू करूंक शकता परत हँडीक्राफ्टान अशें सांगलां की तुमी जर हो बिझनेस फ्युचराक चालू दवरतली जाल्यार ते आमकां हेल्प करतले की भायल्यान लोक भोंवणे खातीर येतात न्ही तेंची हेका मागणी खूब आसा ह्या कोकोनट शेल क्राफ्टाक
I have made one program, Coconut Shell is an alternative to plastics. So where I have some exhibitions, so I have programs I have done to schools and some colleges, some NGOs and all I have done program where I have proved that how plastics, synthetic plastic can be replaced by coconut shell. For example, so if you go for the pens, which we are using the pen, ball pen or something, that pen is made from coconut shell powder, which is just left. I have a collection of 500 crosses. So not collection, I have made from the coconut shell, and the smallest one is 3 mm, and the bigger one which I have made is around 2.5 feet. And that 2.5 feet I have made it with a special intention that it is I call it a unity of Goa cross it is. It is made from the 11 coconuts. The 11 coconuts are bought, each coconut is from each taluka of Goa. There are 11 talukas in Goa. And from each taluka I have bought, I have assembled and made a cross. That is a unity of cross. Besides the other crosses are there, plenty of crosses are there with different combination I have done with tender coconut combination, with gems, jewelry, some jewel I have added to that, some gems I have pearls and all like that. I have added and I have made different type of crosses. And right now I have made 500 different crosses, different types of crosses, exclusively from coconut shell only. Now we in our house we use most of the things from the coconut shell only. It's very hygienic, very easy to clean also. And I am sure in future people will go for the coconut shell articles only in their daily use.
Como viram, o coco pode não só matar a sede, a fome, como pode dar origem a utensílios tão simples como uma vassoura. Pode mesmo ser uma alternativa aos plásticos que usamos na cozinha, como por exemplo uma colher ou um simples prato. Infelizmente, muitos dos usos do coco e também do caju estão a desaparecer no mundo moderno. Mas, felizmente, temos pessoas como Vijayadatta Lotlikar que não vai arredar pé até que se dê a devida importância a estes frutos dos deuses. Nós cá estaremos, como sempre, daqui a 15 dias para mais um Contacto Goa.
Este programa é patrocinado por Centro Cultural Comunicar.